Hello, my name is Angela, and this course is English 3. In this moment, I develop activity of give. The question is, what was your first job? When I was in my last year of high school, was 17 years old, my mom worked in a cafe bar. This place was located in a town. The place was nice. It started going once a week to practice as a waitress. After a few days, they hired me to go every night. Over time, he was preparing the liquor and few that were my treat, save for the year and outing of 11. In this job, I learned to prepare red aromatics, cocktails, slices, milkshakes, decorate ice cream, and different foods. That I offered the sidewalks used for family gatherings with friends, as a couple, for children. It was really very healthy. Over time, it went very well for me and I administrated it for 2 years after my mother had to leave due to pregnancy. This was my first job. I learned a lot and it helped me to acquire a lot of knowledge because he is lawyer. In this job, different events were held. They have singers. It was very exhausting because they worked in the morning. I used to be very exhausted.